In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently insert special characters in Microsoft Word, focusing particularly on using the EM- and no-width non-break space. Understanding how to use these special characters can significantly improve the readability and professionalism of your documents, especially in instances where punctuation and spacing can alter the meaning or flow of the text. Let's start by opening your Microsoft Word file. This is where you'll want to add your special characters, so have it open and ready. Make sure you're in the part of the document where you'd like the EM- and non-break space to appear. It'll save time by not having to navigate too much once we start inserting. Next, direct your attention to the top tabs of your Word interface. Click on the Insert tab. This tab offers a host of options allowing you to add various elements to your document, from images and tables to, of course, symbols. Once inside the Insert tab, you'll want to look for the Symbol option. A simple click will reveal more symbol choices, but since we're focusing on special characters, go ahead and select More Symbols. This leads us into a bit of goldmine of characters and is easier than trying to find those nifty keyboard shortcuts. After clicking More Symbols, you're now greeted with a new window showcasing different symbols available to you. Here at the top of the window, there's a tab labeled Special Characters. Click that, and you'll see a list including em dashes, in dashes, and other special punctuation options. Double-click on the em- option from the list. This immediately places it into your document right where your cursor is located. While we're here, let's also explore inserting the no-width non-break space. This special character can be particularly useful when you need to keep two words together on the same line without a visible space. Find it in the list, click Insert, and it will also appear in your chosen position in the document. Once you have both your EM1- and no-width non-break space successfully inserted, you can close out the symbol window, scroll through your document, and ensure that everything aligns neatly. Using the proper characters not only enhances your documents aesthetically, but clarifies the message you're trying to convey. Congratulations, you're done. By following these steps, you have tapped into a tool set that many people overlook, yet which can add so much to the clarity and polish of your written work. Now that you know how to insert these special characters, feel free to experiment and see how else they might be utilized to enhance your writing. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this was helpful in elevating your document design skills.